Hi guys, and this is a video on an update. This is an update video. As you guys have been hearing, if you were in any of the playing states, Winter Storm Q was supposed to hit the playing states, and Winter Storm Q is starting, and it looks like it's not doing much right now. Just a few little flakes. As you can see the golf course way over there, it's covered. This patio is covered, but not completely. And then the roads are covered. Not completely. The sidewalk is completely covered. The forecast is just saying it's gonna get worse. So we're supposed to get 6 inches of snow, and I'm not prepared for that. You can see that roof is completely covered. There's warnings everywhere out. And then it's freezing outside. I don't want to go outside. Yeah, see, it's already beginning to pick up, but not that much. Ignore that, that's the phone, but yeah, there's gonna be a lot of snow on the ground. They've canceled every single school in Missouri and every single school in Nebraska and Oklahoma. Down there isn't very snowy because there's that little ledge. Those bricks are covered. And so, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy my winter weather update video, and I'll do one every hour. Bye!